Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make this simple Lego zebra. I'm going to take apart my Lego zebra. I took apart my Lego zebra and these are the pieces you need. Let's get started. I'm going to build the legs first. We always need to start with black. Let's join the legs now. We're done with the body. Let's make the head now. Let's put eyes on. Let's join the head and the body. There we have our zebra. Let's play with our zebra. Yummy grass. I hope you make this at home and have fun. Bye!